Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to withdraw your payment on Hostinger. So first of all, log in to your affiliate account. Go to the Hostinger affiliate dashboard. Just type right here Hostinger affiliate. Affiliate. Okay. And then basically what you're gonna do, log in with your account, ensure your earnings meet the minimum withdrawal threshold, usually $100, and click on the withdraw button or go to the payouts section, and then choose your preferred payment method, PayPal or bank transfer, and provide the necessary details, and then submit your withdrawal request. Payments are usually processed within a few business days, and then ensure your payment details are correct to avoid delays. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.